How to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in Evermatch, a dating and chat online application. So you can see this is the profile page. So what you need to do, you need to tap here. You can see settings option, left top corner on your screen. Simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, then you can see the option delete profile, the bottom part. So if you delete your account, you will not able to restore it again. And here is some option like say in settings. So simply tap on the delete button, or you can see delete profile and all contacts. This action can't be undone. So if you delete your profile, you will lose chat history, likes and premium if activated. So simply tap on the delete button. Simply tap on the delete button. So you can see it's already deleted. So if you really want to use it, you have to log in again. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.